Hi everyone, welcome back to Exam Empire. In this video, we are going to see SBI PO Prelims Practice Set 2. So before going to the questions, if you're not subscribed to our channel, do subscribe it and share this video to your friends. Okay, now let's enter into the question. So first one, see what is the one? A and B started a business and the investment was in the ratio 4 is to 5 respectively. At the end of the year, the 30% of the dividend is equally distributed and remaining dividend is distributed in their profit share. If the difference between dividend share of A and B is 280, then find the total profit. Okay, see what is the investment of A and B? 4 is to 5. So what we'll assume like totally 900 rupees is the total profit. Okay. Now, so in this, 30 percentage of the amount is divided equally. So what is 30 percentage of 900, which is nothing but 270. That means A and B will be getting 135 rupees each. Okay. And remaining, see out of 900, 270 was like divided equally. So what is the remaining amount? 630. So this was distributed based on their profit. Okay, that is based on their investment. So what you'll be getting 630 in the sense 4 is to 5. So you will be getting like 280 and 350. Okay, so 280 and 350. If the difference between dividend of A and B is 280. Okay, so what is the difference here? The difference here is 70. But actually, what is the difference between A and B? Which is equal to 280. Then find the total profit. So what is the profit we have assumed? 900. So if 70 is equal to 280, 900 is equal to how much? Okay, if you cross multiply, what will be getting? 280 into 900 by 70, which is nothing but 4 times. So we'll be getting answer as 3600. Okay, done. Next, the speed of stream is 16.2 by 3% of downstream. Okay, that is speed of water is what is 16.2 by 3? 1 by 6 of downstream. That is x plus y. Okay, and boat covers 120 km upstream in 5 hours. See, speed of water is 1. Speed of a boat and water is like 6. Then what will be speed of boat alone? Will be like 5. Then what will be the upstream speed? So 5 minus 1, that is x minus y, will be getting 4. Okay. So now it covered 120 km downstream in 5 hours. That is equal to 24. That is 4 part is equal to 24. If boat covers d minus 3 km downstream. Okay, so downstream is nothing but 6 part. So 6 part will be 36. Okay, so d minus 3 km in downstream and d plus 30 km in still water. So what is still water? That is nothing but x. So what is x? 5. Okay, that is 5 in the sense 30. In how many hours? 5.5 hours. That is 11 by 2 hours. Now, if we cross multiply, what will be getting? 30d minus 90 plus 36d plus 1080 is equal to 11 by 2 into 36 into 30, right? So now if we cancel, this is one time and this is like 18 times. So what is 30d plus 36d? Will be getting 66d plus. So 1080 minus 90 will be getting 990 is equal to 11 into 18 into 30. Okay, so if we cancel, you'll be getting 6 and you'll be getting like 90. Again, if you are canceling it, like it will be like 3 times, this is 1 time and this is like 15 times. So d plus 15 is equal to 90. So d will be 75. Okay, so answer for this one is like 75 kilometers. Next one. Okay, next. The information is about total people who like three different games, that is basketball, rugby, and carom. The people who like only basketball is X plus 10. Okay, so what are the three games? One, two, and three. Okay, so one is like basketball, one is like rugby, and another is like carom. Okay, the people who like only basketball is X plus 10. So this is nothing but X plus 10. And the people who like only rugby is 15 less than that of basketball. Okay, if I subtract 15, we'll be getting here like x minus 5. Next, people who like only carom is 28. So people who like only carom is 28. Average number of people who like only one game is 21. Okay, so that is x plus 10 plus x minus 5 plus 28 is equal to what is the average? 21. Then what will be the sum? 63. So from this 2x plus 5, so what is 63 minus 28? We'll be getting like 35. Okay, so from this we'll be getting like x is equal to 15. So if x is equal to 15, what is x plus 10? 25. Here we'll be getting 10. Okay, next one. The people who like all the games together is like 50. Okay, this part is like 50. Next, the ratio of people who like basketball and rugby together. Okay, basketball and rugby together, and carom and rugby and carom together. Okay, rugby and carom together is 1 is to 2. If this is like A, this will be like 2. The total people who like rugby is 96. Okay, so total people who like rugby is 96. So here we'll be getting like 10 and 50 will be getting 60. So pending is like 36. So if I divide 36 in the ratio 1 is to 2, we'll be getting 12 and 24. Okay, done. So here we'll be getting like 12. Okay, so one second. Yes. So here we'll be getting like 24 and here we'll be getting like 12. Okay, this one is like 25 and 10 and 28. Okay, so these are the data we can able to find from the given case. Then next, so find the value of x. See, what is the value of x? Value of x is 15. The answer for this one is 15. Next one, the ratio of male and female who like rugby. Okay, so male to female who like rugby is 7 is to 5. Okay, so totally how many members play rugby? 96. Okay, so totally how many members play rugby? 96. So if I divide 96 in the ratio 7 is to 5, so what we will be getting? We will be getting like 56 and 40. Okay, so 56 males and 40 female. Then females who like rugby is what percentage more or less than people who like all the games together. Okay, so Uh, yes, females. So 40. So 40 is what person more or less than people who like all the games together. So what is the number of people who like all the games together? 50. Okay, so 40 is how much percentage less than 50? So if you observe, it will be getting 20 percentage less than 50. So answer is 20 percentage. Next, find the ratio of people who like only carom and rugby together to people who like only basketball. Okay, so carom and rugby to only basketball. So carom and rugby is like 24 and only basketball is 25. So answer will be 24 is to 25. Okay, 24 is to 25. Next, find the difference between people who like only one game and two people like all the games together. So people who like only one game to all the games. See, you already know all the games is like 50. Now we have to calculate only for only one game. Okay, so what is the only one game? So 25 plus 10, 35. So 35 plus 28 will be getting 63. Okay, that is 63. So what is 63 minus 50? Answer will be 30. Next, the number of people who like only basketball and carom together is double the people who like only carom. Find the people who like basketball. Okay, so basket plus carom is 2 times of carom. Okay, so carom how much? 28. So then it will be like 56. And what we need to find? We need to find people who like basketball. So what is people who like basketball? That is 25 plus 12 plus 50 plus 56. So 75. So 75, 125, 131, 131 plus 12, 143. Okay, so answer will be 143. Okay, so answer for this one is 143. So hope this video will be useful for you. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.